Hi, boys and girls, and moms and dads. Hey, welcome to Song, Stories, and Signs with Mimi. I'm Mimi, and I'm going to do a story for you today. Moms and dads, are you overwhelmed with kids around the house all day? Well, it might get a little noisy, isn't it? Well, you kids might enjoy this story too. This is called Too Much Noise. This book was written in 1967 when I was a little girl. I bet it's so hard to even think about that far back, isn't it? All right, here we go. It starts like this. A long time ago, there was an old man. His name was Peter, and he lived in an old house. The bed creaked, the floor squeaked. Outside, the wind blew the leaves through the trees. The leaves fell on the roof, swish, swish. The tea kettle whistled, hiss, hiss. Too noisy, said Peter. Peter went to see the wise man of the village. What can I do? Peter asked the wise man. My house makes too much noise. My bed creaks, my floor squeaks, the wind blows the leaves through the trees. The leaves fall on the roof, swish, swish. My tea kettle whistles, hiss, hiss. I can help you, the wise man said. I know what you can do. What? Said Peter. Get a cow, said the wise man. What good is a cow? Said Peter. But Peter got a cow anyhow. The cow said, moo, moo. The bed creaked, the floor squeaked, the leaves fell on the roof, swish, swish. The tea kettle whistled, hiss, hiss. Too noisy, said Peter, and he went back to the wise man. Get a donkey, said the wise man. What good is a donkey? Said Peter. But Peter got a donkey anyhow. The donkey said, ee-aw. The cow said, moo, moo. The bed creaked, the floor squeaked, the leaves fell on the roof, swish, swish. The tea kettle whistled, hiss, hiss. Still too noisy, said Peter, and he went back to the wise man. Get a sheep, said the wise man. What good is a sheep? Said Peter. But Peter got a sheep anyhow. The sheep said, ba, ba. The donkey said, ee-haw. The cow said, moo, moo. The bed creaked, the floor squeaked, and leaves fell on the roof, swish, swish. And the tea kettle whistled, hiss, hiss. All right. Too noisy, said Peter, and he went back to the wise man. Get a hen, said the wise man. What good is a hen? Said Peter. But Peter got a hen anyhow. The hen said, cluck, cluck, cluck. The sheep said, ba, ba. The donkey said, ee-aw. The cow said, moo, moo. The bed creaked and the floor squeaked. The leaves fell on the roof, swish, swish. And the tea kettle whistled, hiss, hiss. Too noisy, said Peter. And back he went to the wise man. Get a dog, the wise man said, and get a cat too. What good is a dog, said Peter, or a cat? But Peter got a dog and a cat anyhow. The dog said, whoop, whoop. The cat said, meow, meow. The hen said, cluck, cluck. The sheep said, bah, bah. The donkey said, ee-haw. The cow said, moo, moo. The bed creaked and the floor squeaked and the leaves fell on the roof, swish, swish. And the tea kettle whistled, hiss, hiss. Now Peter was angry. He went to the wise man. I told you my house was too noisy, he said. I told you my bed creaks and my floor squeaks and the leaves fall on the roof, swish, swish, and the tea kettle whistles, hiss, hiss. You told me to get a cow. All day the cow says, moo, moo. You told me to get a donkey. All day the donkey says, hee-haw, hee-haw. You told me to get a sheep. All day the sheep says, baa, baa, baa. You told me to get a hen. All day the hen says, clock, clock, clock. You told me to get a dog and a cat. All day the dog says, woof, woof, woof. All day the cat says, meow, meow. I'm going crazy. The wise man said, do what I tell you. Let the cow go. Let the donkey go. Let the sheep go. Let the hen go. Let the dog go. Let the cat go. So, Peter let the cow go. He let the donkey go. He let the sheep go. He let the hen go. He let the dog go. He let the cat go. Now, no cow said moo, moo. No donkey said hee-haw. No sheep said baa, baa. No hen said cluck, cluck, cluck. No dog said woof, woof. No cat said meow, meow. The bed creaked. Ah, said Peter, what a quiet noise. The floor squeaked. Oh, said Peter, what a quiet noise. Outside the leaves fell on the roof. Swish, swish. Inside the tea kettle whistled. Hiss, hiss. Ah, oh, said Peter, how quiet my house is. And Peter got into his bed and he went to sleep and dreamed a very quiet dream. So that is the story. Too much noise. Sometimes we don't think about other things, do we? I hope you enjoyed that story. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.